Samsung launched the Galaxy M55 5G smartphone in India in April this year. Samsung launched an upgraded version of the Galaxy M55s 5G in global markets, including in India soon. Today, renders showing the upcoming Galaxy M55s have been leaked, and the design of the phone is also similar to the M55. 3 different textures on the back. Samsung Galaxy M55s has surfaced on the BIS certification site with the model number SM5558B/DS. According to a Geekbench listing, the Galaxy M55s will likely be equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC, boasting a peak clock speed of 2.4 GHz and paired with an Adreno 644 GPU. The device could come with 8 GB of RAM and might operate on Android 14 with One UI 6.1 right out of the box. The Samsung Galaxy M55s sports a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an FHD Plus resolution. Samsung claims a peak brightness of 1000 nits in high brightness mode. The camera on the Samsung Galaxy M55 is a triple rear camera setup which includes a 50-megapixel primary shooter, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. On the front, you get a 50-megapixel selfie shooter. Lastly, the Samsung Galaxy M55 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery with 45W charging support. The launch can't be far now. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.